Eddie Sorrells, come on up.
We had a customer. We talked about the actual problem. Well, here was the problem. We had 2 officers around the clock 24/7 patrolling this large vehicle storage lot. Well, what was happening? Continuous repeated perimeter breaches. We had people climbing over the fence. The problem was that the officer patrols, great security officers doing a great job, but it was very predictable, did not provide a visible deterrent. So once the officer would make the round, they would climb over the fence, break into vehicles, steal catalytic converters, and other bad things you don't want to hear about on a Monday morning. What was the solution? We went to that customer and introduced ROSA. We were able to place 3 ROSAs strategically throughout the parking lot. That reduced staffing by 1 officer. We saved that customer over $150,000 during this scenario.